Imagine turning your 0 followers into a money-making machine overnight. Yes, it's possible, and you're about to miss out on the easiest way to start affiliate marketing from scratch. Don't leave money on the table. This video is your golden ticket. You've probably heard about affiliate marketing, where you can earn commissions by promoting products or services, but hit a wall thinking, I need a massive following. Right? Wrong. Even with 0 followers, platforms like Medium, YouTube, and Pinterest can be your launchpad into the affiliate marketing stratosphere. The secret sauce? Creating content that naturally integrates with the products you're promoting. Think about it, each of these platforms has a vast, built-in audience actively searching for content. Whether it's a how-to guide, a product review, or a creative usage tutorial, your content can reach these eager viewers without you needing your own initial audience. The key is to craft content that's not only engaging, but also genuinely valuable to your audience. This means understanding what they're searching for, what questions they have, and how the products you're promoting can be a solution for them. Optimizing your content for search engines and platform algorithms is crucial. Use relevant keywords, enticing titles, and compelling visuals to make your content discoverable. For example, on YouTube, how you title your video, the description you write, and the tags you use can make a significant difference in how easily your content is found. On Pinterest, high-quality, visually appealing pins with keywords in the descriptions can drive impressive traffic to your affiliate links. Don't forget to subscribe for more great content. Struggling to succeed in affiliate marketing? Get real results with Passive Profits Blueprint, our free video training designed for newcomers. Learn to choose the right product, connect with your audience, and generate income efficiently. Stop wasting time on ineffective strategies. Visit digmarketing101.com now for your free access and start your journey to financial freedom today. Your success in affiliate marketing is just one click away. Act now. But it's not just about getting people to see your content. It's about building trust. Share your genuine experiences and thoughts about the products you're promoting. Be transparent about being an affiliate, but emphasize that your priority is providing value to your audience. This honesty can convert viewers into loyal followers and, ultimately, into successful affiliate sales. Now, think about the last time you searched for a product review or a tutorial. What made you trust one content creator over another? What strategies will you use to become that trusted source in your chosen platform? In the world of affiliate marketing, envision having a superpower that could instantly put your product in front of the exact people who need it. That superpower is paid advertising. Platforms like Facebook, Google Ads, and Instagram are not just social and search platforms. They're gold mines for marketers aiming to pinpoint their ideal audience with laser-like precision. Now, think of Facebook ads. They allow you to dial into demographics with such detail you can target fans of specific brands, interests, or even behaviors. But here's the game changer: the ability to test without breaking the bank. Starting small lets you play with different ad formats, graphics, and messages to see what resonates. It's like having a focus group at your fingertips, guiding you to craft messages that not only reach but speak directly to the heart of your audience. Switch gears to Google Ads. Here, it's all about intent. Someone searching for best wireless headphones is already halfway down the purchase funnel. By using carefully chosen keywords, your ad can be the bridge between their query and your affiliate products, capturing attention at the pinnacle moment of decision making. And then there's Instagram, the visual powerhouse where captivating images and stories can turn casual scrollers into serious shoppers. The magic ingredient: authenticity paired with high-quality visuals that tell a story, connecting the product with the viewer's lifestyle or aspirations. But remember, while throwing money at ads can get you visibility, wisdom lies in analyzing data and making informed decisions to tweak and refine. It's not about how much you spend, but how smartly you allocate your budget across campaigns, always learning, always refining. This brings us to the critical question: how do you balance the art and science of paid advertising to not just launch, but skyrocket your affiliate marketing efforts? What are your thoughts on finding that sweet spot in ad spending to maximize your return on investment?